Welcome back to the Makeforms tutorial series. In this video, we will look at the heading field and how to style it. The heading field is used for the main title and short subheading of your form. It helps you tell users what the form is about right at the start. We already have a basic appointment form with fields like name, phone number, and appointment date and time. Now we'll add a heading field at the top to give the form a clear and professional title. You can click on the heading field and change the text to anything you prefer. For example, you can set it to say, "Book your appointment." You can also change the subheader line below it. There can only be one heading field in the form. It is meant to be used at the top as the main title block. When you add the heading field, you will see settings on the right side. Here you can change the font to match your brand or the rest of your website. For example, if your site already uses the Roboto font, you can pick Roboto here so the form heading looks consistent with your pages. You can also change the font weight to make the heading and subheading text look lighter or bolder. When you select the heading field in the editor, you will see text formatting options. You can make parts of the heading bold, italic, or underline to draw attention. For example, in a sentence like, "Book your appointment," you can make the entire sentence bold so it stands out immediately. You can change the text color and background color for the heading and subheader to highlight them. For example, you can keep the heading in a darker color and give the subheader a softer color so it feels friendly and easy to read. Makeforms uses left alignment by default, which keeps the heading in line with the rest of the form content. If you prefer a different look, you can switch to center or right alignment from the settings. For this demo, we'll keep it left aligned. Indent controls how far the text starts from the left edge, allowing you to create nested lines or offset specific parts. In our demo, we'll keep the indent at its default since the layout already looks clear. You can adjust the font size to make the heading or subheading more prominent or more balanced within your form. After setting the size, you can fine-tune the line height to control the spacing between lines, ensuring the heading block looks clean and readable on both desktop and mobile. You now know how to use the heading field in Makeforms. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.